Have you ever wondered what else you can apply with a beauty sponge other than your foundations and cream products? Then hold on tight, because in this tutorial we're going for the viral eyeshadow application using a beauty sponge, blender, or the so-called makeup egg. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Haja, a makeup artist that loves to share her passion here on YouTube. If you're looking on how to improve your makeup skills or learn about the newest makeup trends, tips and hacks, then make sure to subscribe for more and better content. So for this easy daily eye makeup application, you will need an eyeshadow palette of your choice and a dry beauty blender. First of all, I prime my eyelid like usual using a concealer and then set it with translucent powder. For the sake of this video, I'm going to use a regular sized beauty blender, but you can also use a smaller concealer beauty blender and dip the round part into the dark shade called Love Bite from the Huda Beauty New Nude palette, which is going to be our contour shade for the outer corner. Next, we dip the same beauty blender into the lighter shade called Crave. This time, we pack the pointy part of the beauty blender into the eyeshadow. This shade is our highlighting shade and will be applied on our inner corner up to the center of our lid. Make sure your beauty sponge is packed well with enough product. Now, all you need to do is to stamp the eyeshadow shades onto your lid while closing your eyes slightly, looking downwards. Press the beauty sponge well onto your lid. This looks great already. Now you have to blend the outer edges to make the look more soft and smoky with a fluffy blending brush. Then apply some of the dark shade Love Bite onto 1/3 of the lower lash line with a smudger brush. The next steps are optional. Now that I'm almost done, I want to add some final touches to make the eyes look perfect. Hence, I apply the shade Daydream in the center of the other two shades to create a nice transition. I also highlight around my tear duct with the shade Crave and a pointy dense brush to give it a pop of shine. Then I apply one coat of mascara to each eye in zigzag motion. To even out the application and lift the eyes, I clean out the edges of the outer corner with concealer. This is also optional. Apply a pair of your favorite falsies and press them with a lash curler to your natural lashes for a seamless blend. You see how effortless and easy this eye makeup was? I think it is a great hack for when you're in a hurry doing your makeup, you're traveling and forgot your brushes, or you're a beginner and don't know how to apply an effortless, flawless, even natural eye makeup. I encourage you to try this hack for your next makeup look and let me know how it worked for you and whether you want more makeup hacks that make your life easier in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, then please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to not miss out on every week's new tutorial. Thank you so much and have a nice week.